not know that Gran Canaria not only consists of hotels, but also of beautiful nature.
Hello everyone, I just got up because I want to pick up the car for my road trip here in Gran Canaria. My car is already standing there. I'll pick it up in a second. Because first I want to get something for breakfast. So I was just at the supermarket to get some stuff and food for the trip. And now we get the car. So I got finally the car. That went pretty quick and easy. And now we'll get back to the apartment because I still want to eat some breakfast. I'm going on an exciting trip because of these places I haven't been before. It's more nature, so I'm very excited about it, to get out of the way of people. I mean, haven't we been out of the way of the people for the whole pandemic? I enjoy that. Well, I made a quick stop because this town is on my way to my first stop, so I thought, why not stopping here? I heard it must be very nice, and I'm here very early, so no tourists. I mean, I'm traveling not really in the main season anyway, so. I noticed they have statues standing around here. It's kind of neat. No, this was for sure a very neat little stop. So I decided to go to this little canyon, supposed to be a hidden spot, but there are already a lot of cars up there and there's not really a parking spot, so I park right here. I don't know if it's a good idea. The navigation still says it's about 500 meters. I'm walking down a path that's a little bit closer to my parking spot. It's not the one that you find recommended in the internet, by the way. I hope this is right because I'm following people here. I hope they know what they're doing. Okay, don't expect to get a photo without any people at this time of this. Well, I was lucky and not many people were there anymore. Still a few, and since it's not a big place, you will always have some people in the way, but taking pictures, just hide them behind the rocks. But don't be disappointed, it's not very big, it's like 250 meters long or something, but I think it's really worth it for just a little stop. I enjoyed it a lot. So please don't come here, otherwise get more crowded and the parking situation is not really good here. I just had my quick lunch and now I'm going up to Roque Noblu. It's about 1.9 kilometers to get up there. I think I have never been up there, that's why I wanted to go up there so badly. When you're in Gran Canaria, there's not much vegetation at all, but in this area, because it's so high, there's a lot of green and I love it. It's this mixture of green pastes and rock formations. It's just wonderful. There are also passages which are not so well paved. Yeah, pretty nice spot here. Whew. My car is too weak for these streets. Boy, that was a trip. Really enjoyed it. Terrible roads, good roads, everything. So many curves for 1.5 hours. But I hope it was worth it. Wow, this view is really spectacular. It's kind of difficult to get it on camera because it's so much contrast in it, but that's okay. You just come here and see for yourself. I just came back from the trip. The whole trip took me about 9 hours and I had really enough time everywhere. One recommendation I'm giving is take a small car but with enough horsepower, because my car was like going downhill quick as whatever, but uphill was like a little bit too slow and not enough power.
Wait, there's one more thing to see.
This trip showed me again that Gran Canaria is not only consisting of those hotels like in Playa Del Ingles where there's one apartment next to the other, but it also has beautiful nature and you should definitely go there and check it out.